Welcome to video 62 in series 3, and in this video I'm going to write the item colliders script. Alright, so I'll make a new C# script and title it item colliders. And open it up. Okay, so for my variables I'll have item master, public collider. It's going to be an array. I'll just call it colliders. And public physic material, my physic material. Okay. Then in set initial references, well, I don't need the start and update methods. And while I'm at it, I might as well write the other methods too. So check if starts in inventory, something like that anyway. And void enable collider. And void disable colliders. I'll just put an S there. There we go. So inside of set initial references, item master is get component item master. I will make sure to run that, set initial references, and I'll also make sure to check if starts in inventory is run. And for that method I will say if transform.root, just like the previous video, not rotation.root, dot compare tag, game manager references dot player tag. Okay. Then if it starts in the inventory, I want the collider disabled, so disable colliders. Okay, so that's good. I can also do my subscriptions as well. So item master dot event object throw plus equal disable colliders. Just copy that over there. And then also the enable part, so event, oh whoops, I got that the wrong way around. I'll fix that just in a moment. Okay, so that's correct, and this is enable colliders logically. Oops. Enable colliders. There we go. That's much better. And this one too should be event object pickup. So when you pick up the object, then the collider is disabled, so then it can't go bumping into stuff. And this one is object throw, and it just needed the minus equals. All right. Next, for enable colliders, I need to, I guess, check the array length. So if colliders dot length is greater than 0, then that means something is inside. Then for each collider col in colliders col dot enabled is equal to true. Okay, and I will also say, I'll also have another here, another statement. If my physic material is not equal to null, then call.material is equal to my physic material. So I assign it. So that could be anything, like something to make the object more bouncy, so I might attach like a rubber material to do that. Okay, so going onwards, let me just copy this. Same sort of thing, except without the physic material bit. Just delete that and just say false. Okay. And that should do it. I'm pretty sure that is the script done. Let me go to Unity. Let's see if there are any obvious errors. Doesn't look like it. So going back to the player, item 1, item 2, drop in item colliders. And you know, I could have put in here, if I wanted to just automatically capture all the colliders, I could have said colliders is equal to get component or get components rather, get components in children, of the type collider. And that too would have worked, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to manually assign it in the inspector. So let me just do that. So for example, 1 slot. I know these items only have 1. So for item 1, I'll drag it in. And item 2, I'll drag in its own collider, of course. Now, physics materials, in your standard assets, you start with some. So you've got here physics materials. You can create new ones just under here. So if you just go to create, where is it? I'm going through the list. There's there it is, physics material. You can actually make them, but I'm just going to use rubber. It just makes the object, to me, just seem to bounce a bit more. Well, it just seems a bit more fun. I don't know. That's the only way I can explain it. Alright, so I can just select both of them and drop in the physics material. And that should do it. And you can see that nothing is there, so you can just watch these items as I hit play. And I jump in. Now the throwing block, item 2 has become throwing block. You can see the collider is disabled, which is correct. If I, for example, select item 1, now that will be properly defined. Okay, so let me throw this one. Good. Let's go have a look at it. Throwing block. There we go. The physics material is assigned. Good. And I'll throw this one. Good. So that's all good. Right. So we've got our collider system working. Now we've still got more stuff to do. Like you can see, yeah, we don't want that kind of behavior. Don't worry, that's all easy to fix. And we'll be doing that as we go through this chapter. Alright, so thanks for watching and keep on moving onwards.